guys, Jason Curran here at Drum Percussion Studio. And it's almost Halloween time, so I thought we would talk a little bit about sound effects and some of the instruments that are used to make these scary, spooky, and sometimes really kind of silly sounds. So the first one that we're going to talk about is this thing right here. This is called a Barrett Boy, and it's a wooden stick with a string, and it's all attached to a little round cylinder there. So I'm going to twist this string, and I want you to listen to the sound. It sounds kind of like an old creaky door or maybe an old rocking chair on a porch. Listen to this. That's the Barrett Boy. Now this one right here, this is called the marching man. So imagine the sound of hundreds of soldiers marching through the street. Listen to this one. Marching man. Alright, this instrument right here, this is really cool. This is a tube, and it's got a wire attached to it, or a spring. This is called the thunder tube. Listen to what happens when I shake this. That's the thunder tube. Back here we've got this big drum. It's a big bass drum, but attached to it in the middle I've got this string. And this is an instrument that's played by rubbing or using friction. It's called the lion's roar. Listen to this one. That's our lion's roar. And then, if you've ever seen an episode of Scooby-Doo, you've heard this instrument. It's called the flexitone, and this is really cool. It sounds like a ghost, but not a scary ghost. It's kind of a silly ghost. Listen to this one. Well, those are our sound effects. Happy Halloween. See you guys next time. Bye.